everyone, it is Science with Cruz Tyler. I know it has been a while, but I am back. Today we will be doing the floating tea bag experiment. In order to do this experiment, you only need 4 household items. Alright, first you need a pair of scissors, a source of fire, as long as it's safe, a tea bag, and most importantly, a sheet of foil. This sheet of foil will absorb the heat from the fire. All right, now let's get started. So first we're going to be grabbing our pair of scissors, and we're going to be grabbing our tea bag. We're going to cut exactly at this point. So let's cut, let's make the cut. Perfect. Now we place this aside and we unfold this, just like that. And now we empty it. Make sure you empty all the tea leaves, all of them. All right, our next step is we are going to be doing this. We're going to be sticking our fingers up here, and we're going to be making it a hollow cylinder, just like it is right now, a hollow cylinder. All right, do it some more, and now we're gonna prop this up. If it doesn't get propped up, do not make legs or anything, because this has to be propped up and hollow. So let's prop this up, make it a little like this more. All right, now it's propped up. We're gonna grab our match or any other source of fire, and we're gonna be lighting it. All right, now here's what we do. We light the tea bag and blow out our source of fire, and all you have to do is watch as the tea bag floats up and falls. And that is our science experiment. Wow, poor tea bag. Well, that is our science experiment, and I hope you liked it, and see you later.